Hey guys, so today I'm gonna share with you a DIY on fermented rice water. This is one way you can do it. There's multiple ways, but thanks for tuning in with me. This helps your hair restore its pH balance and gives your hair all the vitamins and minerals to keep your hair happy. Some people have said you can see results in 2 weeks, so I had to see for myself. So this is a list of what you would need for today. Now start off with 1 cup of rice, put it in your bowl, and you're gonna wash the water and massage the rice until the water is nice and clear. Strain it. After you strain, put your rice in your jar. You can add 1 to 2 cups of water. You can use filter or tap and fill up until it's nice and full. Now I'm using essential oils because rice water doesn't smell good when you leave it overnight. So I'm using some peppermint and some sweet orange. After you close it up, leave it to sit for 24 hours at room temperature. Yay, almost done. Okay, it's 24 hours later, the rice water is cloudy, my rice has expanded, and I'm just gonna put it into a water bottle. You can either use this as a leave-in or a rinse out treatment, so stay tuned. Hey guys, you're in the shower with me, and I'm gonna show you how to properly put the rice water in your hair. So right now, I'm gonna use my hydrating shampoo and conditioner from Every Strand. You can also co-wash, but I'm just gonna shampoo and condition and towel dry. Okay guys, I just finished shampooing my hair once. It was very light shampoo. I had washed my hair yesterday, and I just put a little bit of conditioner towards the ends just to detangle it. Now I have my rice water. You can section your hair if you want. I'm just gonna do it as I go. So you're just gonna start at your root and massage it in. Once you're done detangling your hair, then you are gonna tie it up, or you can clip it and put a shower cap on it or a plastic bag, whatever you want to use, and let it sit for 20 minutes. Once the 20 minutes is up, rinse and style your hair like you usually do. Now I am done. My hair does look shinier and it feels super soft. I'm gonna keep you guys updated in 2 weeks to see if my hair grew at all. Bye.